Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have for anyone who trailers their boat, the NOVINO boat trailer bunk slide pads and glide bunk enders. These are designed to make launching and loading your boat a breeze. Let's get into why these are the best boat trailer slides for bunks on the market. These pads and bunk enders are engineered to reduce friction and make the process of getting your boat on and off the trailer smoother than ever. Whether you're dealing with fiberglass boats or metal boats, these slicks are designed to handle the task with ease. Installation is straightforward, but remember to ensure the screws drop into the countersink area to prevent any potential damage to your boat's hull. It's a small detail that makes a big difference. While we won't delve into specific customer reviews, it's worth noting these slicks have garnered high ratings for their performance and ease of use. They've become a favorite among boat owners looking to streamline their trailer experience. Wrapping up, the NOVINO boat trailer bunk slide pads and glide bunk enders are an essential investment if you want to make loading and unloading your boat a smoother process. Whether you're new to boating or a seasoned enthusiast, these slicks will undoubtedly enhance your trailer setup. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and happy boating!